Hi everyone, this is just a quick video on how to set up and how to use a disc cutter. We did a longer video that goes a little bit more in depth, and I will post a link to that in the description. So this video is mostly just going to pertain to disc cutters like this that come with a handle. This handle just functions to move the two plates of the disc cutter apart and back together so that you can clamp your metal in place. When you receive the disc cutter, it's usually packaged with the handle separately, so all you have to do to install the handle is unscrew this bolt in the top. You can usually do it by hand, and then while holding the top plate down so they don't spring apart, just screw the handle in. If you do happen to let them get apart, it's no big deal. All that's inside are these couple of springs, so just make sure they don't fall out and get lost. And then there are these two pins that keep the different punch holes aligned, so all you have to do is align the pins again and push the disc cutter back together and either put the handle or the bolt back in the top. Now that the disc cutter is all set up, we're almost ready to cut a disc. So if you'll notice, your metal will slide around in between the two plates of the disc cutter. And that's why we have the handle. We're just going to tighten it down securely on the metal, and now your metal is snug. You can pull on it and it won't go anywhere. If you find yourself in a situation like this where your handle's in the way of the punch you want to use, all you have to do is lift up on the handle while pushing down with your thumb on the button in the center, and the handle will swing around out of the way. Now you're all set. Alright, so we've got our metal annealed now. This is so it's soft enough to cut easily, which saves you some frustration and also extends the life of your disc cutter and punches. We recommend using a 2-pound brass mallet like this one because it's soft and heavy enough to help you out, not a steel mallet like this one, which can cause steel shards to go flying when you strike a steel disc cutter punch with it. We also recommend using a lubricant when you're disc cutting. This just helps extend the life of your punches even more, and it helps your cut go even more smoothly. There are many lubricants just like this on the market. Any of them will work just fine. ProCut is my favorite. This product's also great for sawing, for using with burrs, for drill bits. It's a very versatile product. Alright, now keep your fingers out of the way and whack it with the hammer. It might take a couple strikes to get it through, but that's okay because you have a disc cutter with a handle. It's going to keep the metal from moving, so you don't really have to worry about it. And there you have it. You've cut a disc. You should be proud of yourself. I'm proud of you. I'll leave a link in the description to the disc cutter we used here, along with the ProCut lubricant and the brass mallet. We also carry a lot of other disc cutters, so I recommend checking them out on our website. And don't forget to take a look at our other video on disc cutters. It goes a lot more in depth. Feel free to give us a like and subscribe if you're interested in what else we're going to be sharing in the future.